Here's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,